Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will solve this interesting problem. And the given problem here is 4 to the power x plus 1 plus 4 to the power 3 minus x is equal to 257. Then we will have to find the value of x. So friend, do not forget to give thumbs up to the video and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. Now for solving this expression, first of all we'll simplify the equation. Here we will write 4 to the power x plus 1 means it is multiplied by 4 to the power 1. And the next is 4 to the power 3 and multiplied by 4 to the power minus x is equal to 257. Now we'll simplify. It will be 4 multiplied by 4 to the power x, so we can write it is 4 multiplied by 4 to the power x plus, and the value of 4 to the power 3 is 64 multiplied by 4 to the power minus x is equal to 257. Now for simplifying this 4 to the power x, we will multiply the whole expression by 4 to the power x. Now let us multiply the both sides by 4 to the power x. So it will be 4 multiplied by 4 to the power x plus 64 multiplied by, we can write 4 to the power minus x as 1 divided by 4 to the power x is equal to 257 multiplied by 4 to the power by x. If we will multiply 4 to the power x and 4 to the power x, it will be 4 to the power 2x, and that we can write as 4 to the power x and square. The value will be 4 to the power 2x. Plus, if we will multiply 4 to the power x and divided by 4 to the power x, that will be cancelled and remaining will be 64. And we will take this 257 multiplied by 4 to the power x in the left hand side, and it will be minus 257 multiplied by 4 to the power x is equal to 0. So friend, hope till here everything is clear. So friend, now we will rearrange this equation. It will be 4 multiplied by 4 to the power x square minus 257 multiplied by 4 to the power x plus 64 is equal to 0. So friend, if you look at this in the form of quadratic equation, so we will let, for making it simpler, we will let 4 to the power x as t. So our new equation will be, then our new equation will be 4 t square 257 t plus 64 is equal to 0. So friend, this is quadratic equation. So for solving this, we will take factorization of it. So we will multiply 4 and 64, and that will be 256. So we have to make 257. So we will add 1 and it will be 256. So we can rewrite the equation like 4t square minus 256t minus t plus 64 is equal to 0. So we'll solve it here. So now friends, we'll take 40 common from these two expressions, and after taking 40 common, the remaining is t minus 4 we have taken common, and remaining is 64. And from these two terms we will take minus 1 common. So we'll take minus 1 common, and remaining is t minus 64 is equal to 0. So our two term will be t minus 64 in one bracket, in another 40 minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we can write t minus 64 is equal to 0, or 40 minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we will simplify, it will be t is equal to 64, and here t will be, here the value of t will be 1 divided by 4. So friend, now we'll put the value of t as 4 to the power x. So in place of t we'll write 4 to the power x is equal to 64, and here the value of t is 4 to the power x is equal to 1 by 4. Now we'll simplify this. 4 to the power x is equal to, and 64 is 4 cube. So the value of x here will be 3. So base is same, so x is equal to 3. Now we'll solve this equations. Here 4 to the power x is equal to, we can write 1 divided by 4 as 4 to the power minus 1. Here the value of x is minus 1. So friend, for the expressions, the value of x is 3 and another is minus 1. Now we'll check it and satisfy the equation. We'll check. So friend, now we'll put the value of 3 and check the equation here. if we'll put the value of x is equal to 3, then it will be 4 to the power 3 plus 1 plus 4 to the power 3 minus 3 is equal to 257. And if we solve 4 to the power 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 to the power 4 is 256. And here 4 to the power 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 to the power 0 is 1 is equal to 257. So friend, if we add 256 and 1, it will be 257. So this value of x is equal to 3 satisfy this expression. And next we'll put the value of x is equal to minus 1. So if we'll put minus 1, then 4 to the power minus 1 plus 1 plus here 4 to the power 3 minus, and the value of x is minus 1. So we'll put minus 1 is equal to 257. So here 4 to the power 1 minus 1 0 means 4 to the power 0 is 1 plus here, and here 4 to the power 3 minus and minus gets plus, and 4 to the power 4 is 256 is equal to 257. So if we'll add 1 and 256, it will be 257. So the value of x is equal to minus 1 also satisfy the equations. 3 and minus 1 satisfy the equations. This is our answer. So friend, give your comment how my video is, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching the video.